Visual media is everywhere. On YouTube alone, there are 500 hours of video being uploaded every minute. And with that comes great opportunity. An opportunity to produce video with a purpose, quickly and easily. Production value is important, but to make the most of your content, it's critical to look at the purpose behind your video. What's the strategy? Why even a video in the first place? The power of video is that you can tell a story more easily than any other media. But when you're developing your ideas, ask yourself, what do you want to achieve by using video? And is the video for marketing, advertising, or communications? Now you might be thinking, what's the difference? At a basic level, there is no difference, but adding more purpose behind your video will increase its chances of success. Marketing is part of communications, and advertising is part of marketing, but let's keep things simple. Marketing should work alongside your sales funnel to generate leads for your business or organisation. This might be in the shape of email sign-ups or increasing followers if you're a public sector organisation, or in more tangible leads if you're selling products and services. Video can be used as a tactic at each stage of the sales funnel, but by focusing the aim of the video, you can align it to your sales funnel for maximum impact. A corporate video telling the story of your company that is distributed across a range of channels would tell potential customers way more than a tweet, email, or a page of copy would. This might then turn into a series of videos that narrow their focus at each stage of the sales funnel. At this stage, your purpose is telling the prospect more about something specific. An explainer video on a product or service, a case study video featuring testimonials, or an animation explaining the detail could work well here. And it will all give a purpose to your video and help move a prospect through the sales funnel. Finally, for the decision and action phase, you might want to focus on an offer or a demo of your product or service. At this stage of the funnel, video has hopefully helped move your prospect through each stage by telling them about you. Advertising is part of marketing, but often includes a spend behind it. The benefit of advertising is that you can target down in detail. This is likely to be one tactic where the video comes first over the story. Why is this? Because we know moving visuals increase conversions. Data from Facebook advertisers suggests that this is an extra 20 to 30% conversion rate compared to plain text and images alone. That fact alone might mean that you decide you need to include it within your advertising campaign. This might be looking at a cut down version of a case study video interspersed with graphics, or turning a talking head video into a shorter, snappier version with subtitles, depending on where the advert is being placed. For video advertising, the purpose is all about where the video will be seen. A TV advert might be different to a drilled down Facebook advert, and different again to a YouTube advert. The story is still important, but where you are spending to promote that advert will impact how you tell that story. Finally, don't forget the power of video for communications. Marketing and advertising are ways to communicate. But to put it simply, communication is about sharing information. And this is where thinking about communications for your employees, or as part of your brand strategy, can set a different purpose for video. It's clear that video can benefit how you communicate on a subject, and you don't need to limit this just to your prospects. Training videos can be useful for employees, especially when your staff might have different reading ages, different first languages, or just receive information better when it's a moving image. In essence, video can be incorporated across the whole of your business. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and look out for more in focus videos to find out how you can elevate your brand through the power of video.